In this video, I'll show you how to cancel your Instagram Plus subscription. First, open the Instagram app and check for any Instagram Plus subscription notifications. If available, open the subscription details and look for the Cancel Subscription option. Tap on it and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the cancellation process. You can also cancel the subscription through your device's subscription settings. On Android, open the Google Play Store, tap your profile picture, select Payments and Subscriptions, then tap Subscriptions. Choose your Instagram Plus subscription and tap Cancel Subscription. Once the cancellation is confirmed, your subscription will remain active until the end of the current billing period and will not renew automatically. And that's how you can cancel your Instagram Plus subscription. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and turn on